I thank you for all being here today to encourage us for what we had to show you the first look of Love Story 2015. And as I go forward, there are a few technicians present here from the film and people who supported us and made this film possible. I will now request the moderator to call the rest of the stage one by one.
Thank you all for coming. It's a very nice film for us. Very happy we're really looking forward to this.
Premier South Australia to come to the stage. He has been a great help while shooting the movie in South Australia and has also privileged us with a cameo in the movie.
Thank you very much, and to you, Harry, what a fantastic...
And I hope that this film becomes a big parade.
Your Excellency, Prime Minister, South Australia, Baweja, I am honestly overawed, stunned, shocked, and very proud, very touched, very moved after what I have seen. I knew that for Mr. Baweja, this is not a film, it's an obsession. But I had no idea that he will achieve this excellence. If your film is 1/4 as good as this, what we are. If there is anything like reincarnation, I am quite convinced that in his last life, he was a taskmaster at some pyramid where he used to witness with one daughter, who make us feel obsolete, old, uncool, so constantly we are reminded that we are not as young as we would like to believe. And as a matter of fact, I must tell you that young people gave a lot of input. There was a TV program, and that incorrigible actor Sajid Khan called a small boy who was perhaps 8 to 9 years old, and he said, asked him, who is your favorite hero?
But not the least, the gorgeous Priyanka Chopra.
For being here in such large numbers, first and foremost, I would like to thank everybody on this stage for saying such kind words. I don't know what to say about this film. Honestly, I usually am never speechless. I always have a lot to say about everything. And but standing here right now and hearing all of you say what you have after watching the theatrical of this film just has made me very emotional, because a lot of hard work, blood, sweat, soul has gone into the making of this film, and I hope that the response of the film is just as fantastic as the theatrical. We promise you that we as a team has put in so much in this film that every second that you watch it, you'll see something new. That's for sure. Everybody turns around in the film industry and says, हमारी picture बहुत अलग है, लेकिन ये film सच में बहुत अलग है. आपने इसकी झलक आज ज़रूर देखी है, and hopefully जब आप इस film को देखेंगे, आप यही कहते हुए बाहर आएंगे कि आपको ये film बहुत अलग और बहुत अच्छी लगी. And with that hope and those kind of prayers, I would like to thank all of you and hope that you come to see the premiere of this film very, very soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
प्रियंका जी, मैं भी हूँ।